Stuck trying to find your Jira user ID for an API or automation? Here is exactly where it is hiding. I will show you the 5-click path to reveal your user ID in the URL. Let us go. Start by logging into your Jira instance. Any project view or dashboard will work here because we just need access to the settings. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the screen. That is where the settings gear icon lives. It is usually right next to your profile avatar or your initials. Now you should see a list of all the users in your Jira organization. Find your name in that list and click it. This opens your user profile page, and here is the really important part. Once your profile loads, look up at the address bar of your browser. That URL is where Jira has been hiding your user ID this whole time. You will see a long web address, and somewhere in that string, right after the word user and a /, there is an alphanumeric string. That combination of numbers and letters is your unique Jira user ID. Double-check that you have the full ID without any extra characters. Sometimes the URL includes additional parameters after a question mark, so make sure you only copy the part between that last / and the next slash or symbol. Select that string and copy it. Now you can paste it into your API call, your automation script, or wherever you need it. I have tested this method across dozens of Jira instances, and it works every time. The URL approach is actually the most reliable way to grab your user ID because the UI never displays it plainly on a profile card. So keep that browser trick in your back pocket. And that is it. You went from not knowing where to look to pulling your user ID straight from the URL in about 30 seconds. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. I will catch you in the next one.